Good morning. This is day 4 of my Bondi to Manly hike. So I'm back at Manly now and I'm doing a 10k loop around North Head, and that'll basically bring me back to Manly Beach. So a bit of a shorter day today. The weather's kind of turned grey and a bit rainy, but hopefully it holds off for long enough for me to do my walk. So thanks for joining me today. Let's go and have a look at North Head. So there's Balmoral Beach just over there. This is Middle Head, and then obviously the city in the distance. There's a good view of South Head. So I was over there the other day. Going on there, the police chopper just went past really close. Another one up there. Oh, wow. Well, I've made it back to Manly now, so this is pretty much the end of my walk. Yeah, so it's about 80 kilometres to walk from Bondi to Manly, but you get some really good views of the coastline and the harbour, and you get to see places that you probably wouldn't have seen otherwise. So all these little coves and beaches and stuff. It's been really, really good. So I mean, the weather hasn't been as great today, but it's still okay for walking. I think if you're planning on doing this walk, I would definitely recommend there's a Bondi to Manly app you can download on your phone, which has got the maps on it, and that's really useful. So I found that although it's a signposted walk, there's a lot of sections where there's no signs and it's a bit hard to follow. So if you've got the map, it makes it really easy. So it's definitely worth doing. You can also break the walk up into different sections. So you do it in like 10-kilometre sections. So you don't have to do it all in one hit like I've done. You could sort of do it over a collection of weekends sort of thing. So yeah, it's good walk to do. So thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll see you next time.